After the flood, Sitchin recounts that the earth was left in ruins, prompting the Anunnaki to reconsider their actions. They chose not to annihilate humanity completely, instead teaching the survivors how to rebuild civilization. The Anunnaki also decided to limit human lifespan, altering their DNA once more to reduce longevity and prevent overpopulation. In addition, humans lost some of the advanced physical and cognitive abilities initially granted to them by the Anunnaki. In this way, post-flood humans would be easier to control and less likely to challenge authority.